Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous video, we learned how to play the gat or composition in Raag Bhimpalas. In today's video, we will be learning a new raga called Raag Bageshree. Raag Bageshree is a Kafi Thaat raga with the Aaroh-Avaroh that goes as follows. Sa ga ma dha ni sa sa ni dha ma pa dha ma ga re sa. You can notice the Komal Gandhar and Komal Nishad making it a Kafi Thaat rag. The Vadi and Samvadi of this rag are Madhyam and Shadj respectively. This raga is called a Vakra raga, as you can see that it does not have a straight avaroha like Bhimpalas. The Bhimpalas avaroha is sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. But in this raga, you can see the avaroha having an arohi phrase, that is sa ni dha ma pa dha, which is an arohi phrase, ma ga re sa. Hence, it is called a Vakra raga. The jati of this raga is Audav Sampurna, as the Aroha has 5 notes and the Avaroha has all 7 notes. This is a late night raga and is said to be played or performed in the second prahar of the night time. Let us now proceed to the composition that we will be learning to play in the next episode. So this is the composition that we will be learning in the next episode. Isn't it serene and beautiful? Make sure you practice the Aaroha and Avaroha of this Raga well in order to play the composition. Practice Alankar in this Raga as much as you can. And that is all for today. If you enjoy the content that I create and you are enjoying the process of learning, then I suggest and request you to support me through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like a monthly Google Meet session, more downloadable PDFs, alankars, and so much more. Or else you can consider making me a one-time contribution through any of the resources mentioned below. If that's still too much to ask, I would request you to like this video, share it with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely benefit them. Make sure you leave a comment so that I can engage with you. And finally, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense pleasure. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. See you again next week with a new video. The Silent Flautist signing off.